Hello, ACPA 22 presenters. My name is Brian Hopkins. I use he, him, his pronouns, and I have the honor of serving as the program chair for the ACPA 22 convention in St. Louis, Missouri. First off, I want to say congratulations once again on having the session proposal that you submitted be accepted to be part of the ACPA 22 curriculum. The work that you already began and will continue to do to prepare is essential in creating a bold and meaningful experience for convention attendees. Recognizing that we are very fortunate to have presenters at all levels of their career and with different levels of experience presenting at conventions and conferences, the program team, in collaboration with others, is developing video resource guides to support your work as you develop your session. This is our very first video and is going to focus on what it is most important to remember at every stage of work as you develop your session. To do so, we are going to reflect back to when you submitted your program proposal. In your proposal, you were asked to develop a session title and a session abstract. These were among the very first fields that you needed to complete, and to an extent are the most important ones to reference as you develop your session. Your session title and session abstract are also what is shared with convention attendees. It is what they will utilize to determine what sessions they will attend. You can ask other faculty and professionals in the field. If not all, most of us have attended a convention or conference session and left them feeling as though the presentation in no way addressed the title of the session or achieved what the abstract said it would. We left feeling as though the time we spent was not utilized in the best way it could, or that maybe we should have attended that other session that we were interested in. This can definitely be frustrating for session attendees. However, it is completely avoidable. And we share all of this today because we do not want you to receive negative feedback addressing this after the hard work that you have done in preparation for your session. As you either begin or continue your work on developing your session, you will likely notice how easy it is to stray away from what you had initially proposed. You have new ideas, new thoughts, new directions, and you perhaps like them a little bit more, so you decide to embrace them. The challenge here is that by doing so, you are not actually planning the session that you had initially intended. With that being said, here are some recommendations that we have to prevent this from happening. Go ahead and log back into the Presenter Resource Center that was linked from the acceptance email you received. Copy and paste both your session title and abstract into a separate document or into a PowerPoint, really just anywhere that you can easily make it available to you as you work on your session. At each step of your process, refer back to it. Ask yourself, does this section, does this resource, does this activity, does this discussion fit the session title and abstract that will be provided to potential attendees? If you reach a point when you are not sure, contact a colleague, a professor you had, or a mentor. Ask them what they think, if they feel that what you are doing is in alignment with what you proposed. Overall, we are going to have 3 different videos to support you in the work that you are doing in creating the curriculum and experience that convention attendees will have. The next 2 sessions will be made available over the next month and will address, first, a timeline for success in preparing your session for convention. This work should not be done in a few days or a few weeks prior to the convention, so we are going to provide you with a recommended timeline for you to follow. The next one is going to how to most effectively utilize universal design in your convention session. Additionally, the convention, PowerPoint, as well as social media and marketing templates will be made available on the Presenter Resources website soon. Please make sure that you are visiting that page and make the best use of those tools and those resources. I cannot wait to be in community with you in St. Louis and wish you the best of luck in preparing your convention session. If you have questions or need more guidance, please do not hesitate to contact the program team through email by contacting conventionprograms@acpa.nche.edu. Good luck in developing what I am sure will be a fantastic part of the ACPA 22 curriculum.